Imagine a future where robots don't just mimic human movement, but carry massive loads, survive industrial environments, and stand almost as tall as an NBA player. Well, that future might arrive sooner than we think. Today, we're taking a deep dive into EngineAI's T800, a heavy-duty humanoid robot from China that's already turning heads, shaking up the competition, and raising a few eyebrows in the robotics world. This is the T800. EngineAI is a robotics company from Shenzhen, China, founded in October 2023. Yes, incredibly young in the industry. But in just a short time, they've become one of the most talked about players in the humanoid robot race. At the World Robot Conference 2025, they unveiled their lineup, and the T800 instantly stole the spotlight. If you think the name sounds familiar, you're not wrong. The T800 branding definitely echoes a certain Hollywood cyborg. And the robot? Well, it does look like something built for strength, endurance, and heavy-duty work. So what makes the T800 special? Let's break it down. The EngineAI T800 stands at approximately 1.85 meters tall, or about 6'1". It's a commanding presence, not overly bulky, not too slender, but purposely built to look functional, balanced, and ready for real-world work. At around 85 kilograms, the T800 isn't a lightweight consumer-grade robot like the ones designed mainly for friendly interaction or simple tasks. No, this machine is closer to an industrial athlete, engineered with a reinforced frame, high-tensile mechanical joints, and a power-dense actuator system that allows it to move like a trained operator rather than a hobby robot. Think of it this way. If most humanoids are like assistants, the T800 is more like a specialized worker, leaning into strength, stability, and reliability. The weight distribution is optimized so it stays balanced even during dynamic movement, including walking on uneven flooring, pivoting, or performing tasks that involve shifting loads. And the height isn't just for aesthetics. It's designed for ergonomic compatibility with human-built environments, door frames, tables, tools, industrial controls, meaning the T800 can step into many human-oriented workplaces without needing special modifications. The T800 features 41 joints, giving it a surprisingly flexible movement range for a robot meant for heavy tasks. This allows it to perform large motion tasks, maintain stability, and move more like a trained worker than a delicate lab robot. Here's the game changer. The T800 uses a solid-state battery, offering safer, more durable, and longer-lasting power compared to traditional lithium-ion packs. This hints that the T800 is designed for long duty cycles, possibly in 24/7 industrial environments. The body frame is crafted from aluminium alloy, balancing strength and weight, making the robot capable of handling high-load physical tasks. In simple terms, this robot is built to work, not just pose for cameras. The T800 uses a multi-sensor fusion setup, combining visual sensors, tactile sensors, and real-time environmental tracking. This allows the robot to adapt to chaotic environments, respond instantly, and maintain balance even while performing heavy tasks. The T800 first shocked audiences during its live demonstration at the World Robot Conference. In the demo videos, you can see the robot, walking confidently on stage, showing balanced upper body movement, performing industrial gestures, demonstrating strong, stable posture under load. Compared to other heavy-duty robots, the T800's movements look deliberately strong and grounded, less like a dancer, more like a worker. But perhaps the most surprising part: the audience reaction. People didn't expect a Chinese startup founded in 2023 to produce a robot this capable in such a short time. One surprising announcement is that the T800 is scheduled to appear in EngineAI Robot Free Combat Tournament, Mecha King, taking place on December 24, 2025. Yes, a combat arena. It sounds futuristic, but it's actually a testbed for mobility, durability, and real-world stress conditions. If the T800 performs well there, it could prove itself as one of the toughest humanoids in the industry. So, where will the T800 actually be used? EngineAI is positioning it for warehouse operations, heavy lifting, hazardous environments, factory automation, outdoor industrial jobs. Security and patrol missions, and high-risk task replacements for human workers, this robot is designed not for entertainment, but for labor. What makes the T800 actually impressive? It's not the tallest robot. It's not the most realistic humanoid. It's not the fastest or the most flexible. But it might be one of the most practical. The T800 strikes a balance between strength, stability, long duty cycles, affordable manufacturing, real-world application, and scalability. If EngineAI truly aims to mass-produce robots for industrial use, the T800 could become one of the first humanoids you'll actually see working in the real world, not just in research labs. The humanoid robot race is heating up, with Tesla's Optimus, Figures 01, Agility Robotics Digit, Unitree H1, and a dozen startups all fighting for the future. But the T800 enters the battlefield with a very clear message: this robot isn't here to dance. It's here to work. So the big question now is, will EngineAI's T800 reshape the future of industrial robotics? Or is this just the beginning of a much bigger robotic revolution? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want more deep dives like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.